We'll guide you through how to set up a custom domain on Vercel. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to Vercel's website and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard and select the project you want to link to a custom domain. Look for the Settings tab, usually located on the left-hand side, and click it. Under the Domains section, you'll see an option to add a new domain. Click on Add, and then type in your custom domain name. Hit Save or Add Domain to continue. Now, you'll need to verify your domain ownership. Vercel will provide you with a set of DNS records, usually a CNAME or A record, that you need to add to your domain registrar's DNS settings. Go to your domain provider's website, log in, and find the DNS settings for your domain. Add the records provided by Vercel in the correct fields and save your changes. This might take a few minutes to propagate, so be patient. Once that's done, go back to Vercel and click Verify next to your domain. If everything is set up correctly, Vercel will confirm that your domain is ready. After verification, you can go back to your project settings and set your new custom domain as the primary one if you wish. This will make sure all traffic is directed to your custom domain. Remember, changes in DNS settings can take some time to fully propagate across the internet, so don't worry if it doesn't work immediately. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.